So now let's try Kirchhoff's voltage law. So Kirchhoff's voltage law states that the sum of the voltages around a loop is equal to 0. So a loop is when all of your circuit elements are connected together. So like this. So you'd have a voltage source here. Let's say it's 10 volts. And you'd have 1 ohms, 2 ohms, and 3 ohms. So Kirchhoff's voltage law says that the sum of the voltages around this loop have to equal 0. So that would mean that V1 plus V2 plus V3, which are all voltage drops for our current, has to equal our voltage rise, which is 10. So voltage drops equal voltage rises is V rises minus V drops equals 0. So V1 is going to be I times 1, because don't forget V equals I times R. V2 is going to be I times 2, and V3 is going to be I times 3. And that has to equal 10. So 3 plus 2 plus 1, so that's going to be 6I equals 10 volts. So I is going to equal 5 over 3 amps. Since I is 5 over 3 amps, V1 is going to be 5 over 3 times 1, or 5 over 3 volts. V2 is going to be 5 over 3 times 2, which is 10 over 3 volts. And V3 is going to be 5 over 3 times 3, which is 5 volts. And so due to KVL, if I add these up, they have to add back to 10. So 5 over 3 plus 10 over 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is indeed 10 volts. So that does obey Kirchhoff's voltage law.